Welcome to Dabow's Playroom, and today we are going to be playing with this set of magnetic building blocks brought to us by Gifts2U Toys. The cool thing about this set is it comes in a carrying container. So we're going to take that out. Leilani and her daddy are going to take everything out of the package and show us what's included. Here we go. I know this has a lot of pieces with it.
What's this?
That's part of it for the first one.
That's the base.
Oh, yeah.
You can make so many things with it.
Some wheels.
And let's see, while you take the pieces out, I'm going to look here and see what we've got. We've got this little flyer that comes with all sorts of instructions. Gives us different ideas of what we can make. Ooh, look at these things.
Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this.
Oh, they're all stuck together because they have magnets in them, right? And let's see, here's a robot.
These pieces, I put the stickers on. You have these to put the stickers on.
Cars.
I'll pick out all the white pieces, okay, Daddy?
Okay, take all those out.
And then what comes with it, let's see, we have these little white solid pieces.
To put the stickers on.
Yeah.
And on the back is this like, nothing's on it.
And the solid piece, we're going to put these stickers. This is really nice. This is a good learning set. It comes with numbers. And it comes with all sorts of cute little character designs. These are so cute. The alphabet. This is great for teaching your little ones their alphabets, their numbers. And then the cool thing is, see what Leilani has. She has a solid piece inside of the tile, and we're going to put a decal on there, a sticker, and start building. Let's take all the pieces out, and let's put all the stickers on and see what we can build, okay?
Alright.
Alrighty. You've got letters.
Daddy, I want to do this.
You've got the math symbols here.
Daddy.
So you could put numbers.
Leilani,
Can you show us how to
This is
fit one of those?
Daniel, Makoa, Jenny, Leilani.
Well, you're doing good. And you just started kindergarten, didn't you? Can you show us how the white tile, the solid piece fits inside of the square tile, how that works?
So first, you get a tile. So first, you do this.
This one this way. There you go. And push it in.
You do this. Then this is how you do it. And if you want to get it out, just turn it around and take.
They're easy
and
to
push
do
it.
on.
Sometimes
Okay, so we'll finish these stickers and then we're going to start building again. Okay? Okay, look at all the pieces. The square pieces. We've got these triangle shapes. Oh, very cute. And we've got two of these shaped wheels. What do you think of this set, Leilani?
I like it.
I like it too.
I love it so much.
It's
I feel like
fun and
that
it's so good for learning.
I feel like I'm really doing it by myself.
And it rolls.
Nose.
Very cute.
Is that a tiger?
Monkey.
The policeman? He's driving.
Okay, you did a great job on that. So let's make something else. Okay, while Daddy and Leilani are over there building their Ferris wheel, I want to show you something else you can do with these. Look at this with the math. 1 plus 3 equals
4.
Yeah! Great job.
Easy.
It
I
is?
want to do it by myself. 1 plus 3 equals 4.
Good job.
I want to do a different one about that.
Well, you better help Daddy in the pieces.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, I'm going to put the link down below as to where you can purchase this.
I want to see how it
And,
spins. Daddy, can you spin it?
Order yours and have fun.
Whoa.
Come back and see us sometime. Bye-bye.